Alright, this is so cool. So your outboard is clogged. Your carburetor's clogged on your outboard. Take off the cowl. Find your fuel filter. It's right here. And disconnect it right here. That's the last piece before it goes into your fuel pump. Then we're going to take a little auto air compressor. Make sure you've got the little fitting piece on there to feel like a air mattress or something like that. Okay, there it is. It's disconnected. This is where you want to stick this. You want to stick it in there and turn on the compressor. Once again, you stick it right in there and you fire up your compressor. Keep forcing air through the fuel line until you've got no more back pressure of fuel leaking out. And you can actually feel the wind blowing through the carburetor. Boom. Okay, put it all back together. Hook up the clamps. Turn the key. Starts right up, don't it? After you stop jumping up and down and cheering and saying yee-haw, you can thank me in the comments below. Safe boating, everybody. Hold that compressor hose in there really tight. I used 50 pounds of air pressure to push the clog through. Make sure you tighten up all the bands, and happy motoring. So how do you know if it's your carburetor or your fuel pump? Well, if it's your fuel pump, you should be able to make it run by squeezing the bulb. If it's the carburetor, it won't start at all unless you spray a little bit of gas or starting fluid into the intake of the carburetor. That's the air intake. If it'll start and run, if you spray gas in the air intake, the carburetor jets are clogged.